Today's lesson is called the factor game, and we are going to start with the number 12. So I have a product here, 12, and let's think of as many ways as possible we can build 12 with the bead bars. So for example, I know I can use the 2s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, so I just made 12 with the 2s. And we can write that as a multiplication expression like this. 2 times 6. And let's put that right under here. And that equals 12. Let's see if we can find another way to make 12. Can you think of any other ways? Yeah, let's try the 3s. 1, 2, 3. Let's put it there. 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12. And how would we write that as a multiplication expression? Yeah, we have 3 bars, the 3's bars, times, and let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. So 3 times 4. Let's put that right there. Okay. Are there any other ways to make 12? Can you think of them? I want you to pause and see if you can make 12 in another way. All right, did you say with 4s? Let's try it. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what's our multiplication expression that's showing? Yep, we have the 4s beads. And we have 1, 2, 3 times. So 4 times 3. Now my little mat here is getting pretty full, but I bet there are more ways. Can you think of any other? Pause and see if you can think of more. All right, I think I am going to scoot this over here. Now, if we try to make 12 with 5s, we can't quite do it, can we? Because there's 5, there's 10, and if we get another one, oops, that's 15, that's too big. So that doesn't work. But how about 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's try it. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's slide this whole thing over. Yeah, we did it. We made 12. And what expression goes with that? Yeah, we have our 6 beads. And we have them 2 times. We have 2 of them. My 2 is a little silly there. 6 times 2. Okay. All right, so that is the factor game, forming factors of a product. And you can take other numbers besides 12 and do the same thing. See how many times or many different ways you can make it. All right, see you next time.